Hey there, Shalom. Hello today. I'm diving into the ultimate guide to boost your productivity in this coming year, 2025. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, these tips will help you get the most out of your day. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about goal setting. One of the biggest productivity killers is not having clear, actionable goals. Start by setting SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break them down into smaller tasks and prioritize them. This way, you know exactly what to focus on each day. Next, embrace the power of time blocking. This technique involves dividing your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task or group of tasks. By scheduling your day this way, you minimize distractions and ensure that each task gets the attention it deserves. Use digital calendars or apps like Google Calendar or Trello to keep track of your blocks. Now, let's move on to minimizing distractions. In today's digital age, it's easy to get sidetracked by emails, social media, and notifications. Implementing a do not disturb mode during work hours can significantly boost your focus. Also consider using apps like Focus at Will or Freedom to help you stay on track. Another key strategy is to adopt the Pomodoro technique. This involves working for 25 minutes straight, then taking a 5-minute break. After 4 cycles, take a longer break of 15-30 minutes. This method helps maintain high levels of productivity while preventing burnout. Don't forget the importance of a good workspace. A clutter-free, organized environment can do wonders for your productivity. Ensure that your workspace is ergonomically set up with proper lighting and minimal distractions. Investing in a good chair and desk can also make a huge difference. Lastly, prioritize self-care. It might sound counterintuitive, but taking care of your mental and physical health can significantly boost your productivity. Regular exercise, proper nutrition, and adequate sleep are essential. Don't forget to take regular breaks and give yourself time to recharge. So there you have it, my ultimate guide to boosting your productivity in 2025. Remember, it's all about setting clear goals, managing your time effectively, minimizing distractions, and taking care of yourself. Implement these strategies and you'll be well on your way to a more productive year. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips and tricks. See you in the video.